What is up, everybody? We're going to be going over a video that was submitted to me by Dirk. So thank you so much for submitting this video. We're going to go ahead and move into it. And what's happening is that he's going to actually hit a deer. So this is a very good reason to wear full gear, so full personal protective equipment. Speed limit is 45. You have the chevrons there, so it's going to be a sharper turn. You see his speedo right here, so it's 43 miles an hour. It doesn't really move too much until a little bit later. He has another sharp turn. So it's a beautiful day. You know, you got plenty of cloud cover, plenty of sunlight, plenty of daylight, everything. But we also have trees. He mentioned in the video or in the description that it's hunting season over there in Ohio, so there's gonna be a lot of deer moving around, and he's gonna actually have a deer pop out in front of him. So you see the speedo starting to work. It's about 45, 46 miles an hour, and we have a little switchback thing right here. The sign's gonna dictate, you know, where we're going, but there's the deer impact, and he's able to keep it upright and move forward. So he's gonna pull over and stop, and we're gonna go over what happened and why it's pretty random. If you'd like to chat with me and other DDFM crew members, swing on by the Discord. It's an absolute free service and allows you to get in contact with me and others around the world. More information at motorcycleridingtips.com. So we're right before the accident, and we're gonna go ahead and talk about why it's super important to have gear. So full personal protective equipment. Make sure we have our helmet, jacket, pants, gloves, boots. We also want to have some protective equipment for our bike. So just in case we do drop the bike, it's really good to have some crash protection. So sliders or engine guards or anything like that. It's very important. One of the things that I look for when it comes to an accident like this, so there's the deer starting to run. Let's go ahead and get right to the point. It's just inherently dangerous when it comes to motorcycling, and this is a freak accident. So you're going to have those situations where we can prevent a lot of things when it comes to our own riding behavior. You know, slow down, make sure we see ahead of time. We do our search, evaluate, execute all the time. It just so happens that sometimes you are just going to crash. There's going to be an impact. There's going to be something that's going to cause something that is going to be very dangerous for you on the motorcycle. This could be in the car. This could be you walking. This could be us on motorcycles. This could be us skateboarding, bike riding, anything. There's always going to be some type of a freak accident. And when it comes to animals, they're very, very, very unpredictable. Dogs are a little bit more predictable, so we can kind of talk a little bit about that. With dogs, you actually kind of have to juke them out. They're there trying to get you, attack you, so what you have to do is slow down, speed up, swerve, and do all these other things. When it comes to animals like this, especially prey animals, they're not the ones that are going to come at you. They're trying to get away from you. They're scared of something. They're trying to run away. And it just so happens that we have an impact with them. So their thing is that it's just going to be random. It's going to be out of the ordinary. They don't mean to hit us. They don't want to hit us because they obviously don't want to die either. Other animals like predators, like dogs, cats, you know, big cats specifically, or seen that tiger attacking those or wanting to attack those motorcyclists. In that situation, they're being chased. So when you're being chased by an animal, it's best to just get out of there. And sometimes you're going to have to juke them, like I said, speed up, kind of slow down, kind of put them off pace, and then swerve out of the way. This one right here, he mentions that he was wearing full gear except for pants. He had an over-the-ankle motorcycle boot, so that really helped him out. He said the damage that he had to his motorcycle was his airbox and his right brake pedal, so his rear brake on the right side. So you start thinking about the mechanism of that. So if it's going to damage that, it's going to really destroy it. Imagine what it can do to your body, your flesh. So let's make sure we wear full gear. And just in case something happens like this, there's not much you can do. The search, evaluate, execute, it just happens way too quick. You weren't able to react. So he did a great job. Dirk, good job, man. Thank you for submitting this in. We're all going to learn from this. And I just want to make sure you guys staying safe by wearing full gear. Make sure you practice your skills. If you want to learn more about how to practice your skills, check out DDFMcrew.com. It's a great resource, and it's absolutely free. And if you'd like to support the channel, swing on by patreon.com/DanDanTheFireman. I will have links to that stuff in the first comment. That way you get to be able to support the channel and see some behind-the-scenes stuff. And there's some really cool updates that I just recently posted about an e-course coming up. So stay tuned for that. Motorcyclist go right there, and I don't know if this motorcyclist with the camera is going to be like, you know what, I want to catch up and show off. So ego might be a play in this, but look at his hands. Watch the jerky movements, you know, the shifting, the throttle. He's going full speed, almost in the red zone, and then he's going to panic brake right here. Boom, panic brake because he saw the brake lights. He's going to have a lot of laceration.